Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So you guys have been begging me to do a super easy, super fast makeup tutorial, and I figured why the hell not? I think this look is totally perfect for those of you who, unlike me, have work or go to school or just kind of don't have much time in the morning for makeup. I'm basically just going to guide you through my everyday makeup routine. I'm going to show you some super simple tricks you can use when you're in a hurry but still want to look natural and cute. So let's get started! So the first thing you want to do is start with least around the most crucial parts of your face. So literally just lightly tap it into your skin. If you have any blemishes, it would be good if you could use a concealer, but since I don't have any, I'll just skip this part. Because you know, we want to make it quick, right? I like to use this super cool for application because it just makes it so much quicker and looks so much better, and it doesn't leave any smudges, and personally, I feel like it makes your makeup stay for so much longer. Then I like to move on to my eyes. Remember, eyes are the most important part of your face. Again, it's super important to prime them first, because it's gonna make it last so much longer. I like to start with a light color first. Just don't go for anything too glittery or aggressive. We want to look natural after all. I gently apply the eyeshadow on my eyelids. Notice the circular motion I try to do with my hand. I saw it in other video tutorials on YouTube and thought I'd give it a try too, but quite frankly, I'm not so good at it.
Face, for example, feels like it's straight in half for too long. I get ready to lose makeup risk if my neck and arm trying to find best angle while I'm holding my phone. I turn the light on, I turn the light off. I walk to the window, I put on my makeup. I end up staring at the false reflection of my face on my phone's screen, wondering why it's slowly falling on my features. It's so exaggerated that it's completely exhausting. I know I won't be figured out when I am now, but I'm slowly doing it. So
And we're done! See how easy it was and how natural it looks? Now you're ready to shine throughout your whole day! Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time! Don't forget to like and subscribe!